Your girlfriend ever ask you a question that just make you go, what? A couple nights ago, I'm in the bed with my girlfriend. We just got to finish having sex. We sweating because we don't have no air conditioner. And we're sitting there smoking a joint. She looks at me and she goes, baby, what would you do, right? If we woke up tomorrow and I had your penis and you had my vagina. What? What would you do? I wouldn't let you screw me. One time my girlfriend asked me, she was like, baby, if your penis could talk, right? What would it say? What? What would it say? I'm gonna take this opportunity to speak on behalf of all men on this mud ball we call Earth. If our penis could talk, it would probably say something like, touch me. That's it. I'm going outside to get some cake. Touch me. Touch me with the cake. If the vagina could talk, you know what it would say? We've been in this relationship for 3.5 years. It looks like our two of us are going up on the same page. We can't tell what we're going to do because it wouldn't be 2 hours for 6 together. Screws us lives that we got. Quack, 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 quack.